what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wisdom Works back at it again. So I know I dropped a video. The last video I dropped actually washed my bike up, and I was showing you how I clean it and how I dry it and all that good stuff. So I have it here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put ceramic coating on top of it. Since I have it super clean and washed thoroughly, I have the bike super clean. I mean, real clean. Excuse that noise. It's still actually raining outside here in Georgia. It's a rainy day in Georgia, so it's the perfect time to do this type of stuff today, right now. So let me get it jacked up a little bit. Where's my key? Where's my key? I make sure to put the key in my pocket because that alarm will go off. If I don't have that alarm in my pocket. While I'm doing this, man, I just want to say this right here. There are a lot of people who watch. There you go. Get closer. There are a lot of people who watch YouTube videos, watch different people videos, but not always subscribe. Don't even like the videos, really, to tell you the truth. But they always filled with all kind of comments, feedback, and a lot of times it can be negative in nature. I'm not sure what's that all about. I do know. Let me keep this video about the ceramic coating. I do know what it's about, but I just say hate is real. Sometimes I think when people feel like everything I have prepared myself for, I work hard for. But I think sometimes when people, for some reason, their hate to see you accomplish something and doing something, it just brings out the best of them in terms of start making those negative comments and things like that. Now, you know, I'm the type of person that operate like, if I don't have anything nice to say, I don't say anything at all. But not everybody operates that way and works that way. Now, I guess I know I understand that in my 50 years of living. But it's just always interesting to me that, you know, there are a lot of people who make comments and stuff on videos and stuff, but they would never ever say it to your face. And I would challenge anybody to say it to my face. You know, I don't play the little punk games and things like that, but don't be keyboard warriors and stuff like that just because you are envious, or, you know, you may be in your feelings about some of the things that you can't do yourself. I can't do everything I want to do in this world, but there are a lot of things I can do because I have adequately prepared myself to be able to do those things. And I will continue to do those things. I don't need to keep hearing the stuff about Harley and the Germans and all this kind of stuff like that. Ride your own ride. If you don't like Harleys, move on to the next channel. Find what you like. If it's Honda, if it's Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki, Indian, whatever the case may be, go to those channels and support those channels. I don't need to hear all your negative comments and stuff, because guess what? Your comments are not going to move me. I'm not going to go out and sell what I have simply because you feel a certain type of way. So I'm going to let that go right there. I'm going to let that stay right there before my wife get on me. She going to see the video and see like, you ranting and raving, you letting the hate get to you. I'm not going to do that. Ceramic coating. That meaning I won't come back to it because I like to ramble sometimes. But I'm using the Chemical Guys ceramic coating kit. And basically in this kit, you have your microfiber cloth. You will have your ceramic coating wax itself. It's called Hyper Wax. And you will also have an applicator. Heard some noise out there. You had an applicator to apply the ceramic coating to. Now, the microfiber towel is simply used to, after you have let it sit for like 30 seconds, I'm gonna let mine sit longer than 30 seconds. The directions and everything you see will say, let it sit for 30 seconds, and in colder climates, we recommend allowing up to 2 minutes. But it's gonna get more than 30 seconds, it's gonna get more than 2 minutes. It's gonna get a little bit of time, because I'm probably gonna apply this bad boy to the bike, take my time and apply it. And then I'm gonna come back to you. I'm not gonna bore you this whole video with me applying the ceramic coating. But I'm gonna apply it and then probably go get me a game of Madden in real quick. Dust somebody off online. So I like to play Madden online. I haven't played in a couple of weeks, and I'm just dying to get online and handle some business. And then I'm gonna come back and take the application off. It is right there. Uh-oh, dropping stuff. But yeah, a little sorry. No, I ain't apologizing for my rant. My rant is my rant. It's what I do. But it's just interesting to me and funny to me. It's just funny. But to apply, you take your cloth and you just apply. It don't take much. Just a minute. Just apply a little bit on there like that. Don't take much. Like that. And then I'm going to kind of come over to the bike and I'm just gonna take my time and I'm gonna start in this area right here with the ceramic coating. Going in. Okay. I'm gonna take my time and rub it in. It fell on the fender, but guess what? It need to go on the fender too, so ain't no big deal. And just make sure I cover all the places with it. And it said that you can use it on your headlights and stuff as well. So I probably will eventually do that, but I'm just gonna start with the body for right now. And it actually has a little haze on it right now. I like the way it looks. So I'm gonna come to the other side. It doesn't take much on the cloth because I can see that in the cloth it still has a lot on the tip here, so. I do have my bike on the jack stand that I do not trust. I don't trust them jack stands, y'all. I'll use it as long as I'm down here with the bike, but I would not leave my bike on the jack stand for an extended amount of time. I would not do that. Because the last thing I want to do is be upstairs. Be upstairs and all of a sudden I hear this loud clash and bang. And then I come running downstairs, and my bike is over on the ground. That would break my heart. That would break my heart. So, but I don't mind doing it as long as the bike is, I'm down here with the bike. When you're applying this application, I know in the video you probably can't see, and you're like, man, are you doing the same spot over and over and over again? But I can clearly see the spots that have ceramic coating on it. Even with a light color and you putting this application on, I can see clearly where it's going. I did this top part right here. I had to come down here. I'm gonna do this part down here in just a minute. But since I had dropped some on the fender, I just went and rubbed that in. Just know that if you're doing this at home, you can clearly see where you have coverage. It's not hard to see it at all. Not hard as I thought it would be when I first did it. So, for the sake of time, I'm going to continue on with this process and I will come back to you. So I'm going to keep the camera rolling and I'm going to time lapse this bad boy. And yeah, and I'll come back to you in just a minute. Either I'm going to time lapse or I'll come back with the finished product. I'll be back. Family, all right. I have all of the ceramic coating applied. Let me turn my TV down here. Hold on just a second, y'all. Okay, I have all of the ceramic coating applied to the bike, including on the windshield right here. The bags are done, the back is done. the gas tank, the sides, the lower fairing, the side fairing, the front fender, all of that's, I said the windshield, the headlight, all that's covered right now with the ceramic coating. And like I said, it says 30 seconds to 2 minutes. I'm not going with that. I'm gonna let it stay right here and cure and do its thing and do its magic and all that kind of stuff. Cause I'm not in no rush. I do have a hot date at 8 o'clock with my wife, but it is only 4 o'clock right now. But anyway, I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then I'm gonna get me a game of Madden online, handle some business there, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna take it off, and then I'll go through that process and those steps with you all as well. So again, I appreciate all of you and your comments and your thoughts and everything, and kind of comment below, drop down below and let me know what your experience has been with ceramic coating. I know I've had my vehicles, some of them, ceramic coating at the time of purchase, which I think is probably a waste of money because you can pretty much do it yourself or take it someplace, but worked it in on the deal. And I've had that done on vehicles before, and I noticed the difference that I experienced with those vehicles, where when it would rain, everything just fall off the car. Dirt, it was hard for dirt to stick to the car. So it has a lot of benefits with the ceramic coating. But give me your experiences dealing with ceramic coating and what your thoughts are, and all that good stuff. Any tips that you may have, or anything else that you may want to share in regards to this ceramic coating. All right, I'm gonna let it do its thing, and I'll be back at you momentarily, in just a moment. All right, everybody, I'm back again, and it's been 30 minutes to, not 30 minutes, been almost an hour later. And the first part I started taking off right before I started the video was on the windshield, and it just came off really, really easy, and it is like super, super clear and clean. I don't see no marks on it or anything. Man, that looks good. So that's just the windshield. I got a long way to go, because I got to do the whole, still got to do the body. Let me see how easy it's come off the body. Okay. Got to use a little bit elbow grease, medium elbow grease. Wrong side. Oh yeah. Yeah. Gotta use some elbow grease with it, y'all. I don't mean to block the camera up, but I just want to show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of it off. I'm not gonna bore you in the video with that part. I'm gonna go ahead and get it all off. And then when I get it all off, then I'll come back to you and show you the end results of everything. Let me see if I can get close up. I rubbed some of that off. I'm not sure if you can. It's a little bit more dull on that side, but I'm not sure if that's translating over to the camera. But anyway, let me go ahead and get it all done, and I'll be back at you in just a moment with the final product. All right, I have removed all of the ceramic wax off of the bike that I applied. At least I went over every place that I applied it to thoroughly. And the bike is glistening. I can't wait to see it in the sunlight. The camera doesn't do it any justice, and being in this garage doesn't do it any justice. I get a lot of people, they give me a lot of feedback about the color. Because originally I wanted to do all black Harley, but I just wanted to be, after I talked to my wife about it a little bit, it was almost like a dare to be different. So it's kind of how I ended up with this bad boy in this color, which I do not regret at all, because it's definitely unique and stands out. But And it's like that ceramic coating just, oh my God, add another pop to it. I have a bottle of water right here. Let me see something here. I'm gonna pour some water on the front and see what the water does. Can you all see this? Let's get a little closer. Let's see what the water does. Run right on off. Look at that, look at that. Oh, I love it. And take me a cloth. It's dry. That's crazy. I like it. So, yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm not gonna show this part on video, but I'm gonna do the wheels a little bit later, but it'll be done later on tonight when I return home from my outing. Later on tonight, I wanna take my time and do those wheels thoroughly as well. But you saw how the water just ran off of that. Yeah, that's gonna be real nice. And I may apply a second coat of ceramic coating, not today, maybe next weekend. Maybe next weekend. Oh, that looks really clean. Oh, they meant to be red and get dirty. Yeah, it's also meant to be cleaned up too, I think, at least in my opinion. But I appreciate you all rocking with your boy. Comment, like, subscribe to this video. Comment below, tell me again your thoughts on ceramic coating and what your experiences have been with it, all that good stuff. Yeah, I like learning from you guys as well, so different things to do. Different tips and all that good stuff, but it's nice. It's real nice. I'm very pleased with it. I think I'm gonna put it on my helmet as well. But until next time, it's your boy Dwizzle Works, and I just want to say a huge I thank you, each of you. Thank you. And until next time, peace and blessings. I'm out. Peace.